In this video, we're diving deep into a powerful LinkedIn automation tool called Prosp. Whether you're a marketer, recruiter, or entrepreneur looking to automate your LinkedIn outreach and scale your campaigns, this tool might be exactly what you're looking for. And stick around, because later in this video, I'll show you a feature that completely replaces hours of manual LinkedIn messaging with just one click. I'll walk you through the dashboard, how to create campaigns, manage your contacts, use the inbox, tweak your settings, and even get into Prosp's analytics and pricing. Oh, and wait until you see how much you can get done for just $30 a month. Seriously, this one surprised me. This guide will help you understand exactly what each tab does so you can start using Prosp effectively, even if you're brand new. Let's start with the dashboard. When you first log into Prosp, you'll see this simple yet clean interface. Right now, I haven't connected any LinkedIn accounts yet, and you'll probably see something similar at the beginning. Ever wondered what happens the moment you connect your LinkedIn account to an automation platform? We're just about to find out. At the top, you'll see a Let's Get Started checklist. It guides you through two essential steps: connecting your LinkedIn account and creating your first campaign. Connecting your LinkedIn account is essential because Prosp pulls data directly from LinkedIn to run outreach campaigns, send messages, connect with leads, and more. Without it, you won't be able to unlock most of the features. Hint: there's something Prosp does immediately after syncing with LinkedIn that you'll want to take advantage of. I'll show you why it matters when we get to campaigns. Below that, we have the analytics section, which we'll talk about more in just a moment. But this is where you monitor how your campaigns are performing. You can check things like how many messages were sent, how many people responded, or how many connections you made, all based on a selected time frame. One number here told me my entire strategy was wrong. I'll show you which one to watch. It's a powerful way to track your ROI and optimize what's working. Next, let's click into the Campaigns tab. This is where things start to get really interesting. This is where the magic happens. Campaigns are the heartbeat of Prospers here. You can create automated sequences that send connection requests, follow-up messages, and even emails to leads. Coming up in just a bit, I'll show you a clever trick for getting replies from people who usually ghost you. Clicking Create a Campaign gives you a step-by-step flow to set up your outreach process. You can import leads, define your messaging sequence, choose delays between messages, and personalize the content to boost engagement. Once your LinkedIn account is connected, you'll be able to start campaigns that automatically engage with hundreds of prospects without manual work. In fact, one campaign I ran saved me about 8 hours a week, and the results? Let's just say they were beyond what I expected. Moving on to the Contacts tab. This is your lead database. Anytime you run a campaign or import a list, your contacts are stored here. But here's the interesting part. What if I told you Prosp not only stores your leads, but also tells you exactly who to follow up with and when? You can import contacts manually, or from LinkedIn search results, Sales Navigator lists, or even via CSV files. Prosp helps keep your data organized so you know who you've messaged, who responded, and who still needs a follow-up. From here, you can also tag contacts, filter them, or add them to new campaigns. Now let's take a look at the inbox. The inbox centralizes all your outreach conversations in one place. If you're messaging dozens or even hundreds of people, checking LinkedIn manually can get overwhelming. That's where Prosp helps you out. But here's something wild. Prosp shows you metrics that LinkedIn doesn't. I'll explain in a second. It pulls in all your LinkedIn messages so you can reply directly from within the platform. You can manage replies, archive messages, and stay on top of all your communications without switching tabs or apps. And here's a strategy I've been using in this inbox that tripled my response rate. Hang tight, I'll break that down shortly. Plus, it gives you insights like response rates and message status, so you can adjust your messaging strategies accordingly. Next up, we have the Settings tab, which is packed with important features. General. Here you can update your workspace name, time zone, and default settings. Accounts. This is where you connect or disconnect your LinkedIn accounts. You can manage multiple LinkedIn profiles if you're running outreach for different teams or clients. And just wait until you see what happens when you run campaigns across multiple LinkedIn accounts. It's like switching from a bicycle to a rocket. Members. Invite team members to collaborate. Great for agencies or teams. Billing. View your subscription details, switch plans, or download invoices. Voice cloner. Generate AI-powered voice messages by cloning your own voice. Yup, you can literally clone your voice and send personalized messages at scale. I'll let you imagine the possibilities. Webhooks. Send real-time data to other platforms for advanced automation. Integrations. Seamlessly connect with CRMs, email tools, and more. Stick with me, because these integrations might just unlock a whole new level of automation. Let's look at these 4 tabs near the bottom of the sidebar. Tutorials, video guides, and help docs to get you started or unstuck. Affiliate. Refer others to Prosp and earn commissions. And yes, you can start earning passively just by sharing your link, even before launching your first campaign. API. Build custom workflows, connect Prosp to your internal systems. Community. Ask questions, get strategies, and share what's working. There's a tip in the community forum that got me a 40% reply rate. I'll leave you to find that one. Now let's talk about Prosp's pricing. There are 2 main plans. Monthly, $59 per month. Annually, $30 per month when billed yearly. And here's the best part. Both plans give you unlimited campaigns, unlimited contacts, 1 free proxy per LinkedIn account, unlimited emails, 24/7 chat and email support. Most tools put limits on things that matter. Prosp doesn't. That alone might make it worth the switch. It's one of the most cost-effective LinkedIn automation tools I've tested, especially for users who are serious about growth and outreach. Wrap up, $2230 to $2500. So that's a full walkthrough of Prosp, from setting up your dashboard to launching your first campaign and everything in between. Want to know what I'd do differently if I were starting from scratch with Prosp today? I might just cover that in the next video, so subscribe and don't miss it. Whether you're looking to automate LinkedIn outreach, build personalized sequences, or just save time managing your leads, Prosp gives you the tools to do it efficiently and at scale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more marketing and automation tutorials just like this. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.